Move-in water safety starts with a plan to test and treat your new home's plumbing before you drink or cook with the tap water. Begin by identifying the water source, whether municipal or private well, because that determines which contaminants are most likely and what reports or records are available. Order testing for bacteria, lead, and nitrates as a baseline. Bacteria testing requires sterile sample collection and cold transport. Lead testing needs first draw samples taken before any taps are run. And nitrate testing is especially important for homes on wells near agricultural land. Use a certified laboratory for definitive results when possible, as lab tests follow standardized methods and provide interpretive guidance. But home test kits can serve as a quick screening tool if you follow the manufacturer directions exactly and send confirmatory samples when results are near action levels. If results show contaminants above recommended limits, act based on the contaminant. Install point-of-use filters certified to reduce lead for drinking taps. Consider whole house treatment for sediment or iron, and use reverse osmosis or anion exchange for nitrates on drinking water lines. Coordinate with a licensed plumber for softener or filtration installation to ensure proper capacity and bypass plumbing. Before moving in, flush cold water lines by running each tap for at least 3 to 5 minutes and clean or replace any old faucet, aerators, and shower heads to clear stagnant water and debris. Request the municipal water quality report if available. Review recent tests, and if on a private well, arrange for annual testing and after nearby construction, flooding, or changes in septic systems. Common problems include false reassurance from unlabeled home kits, which can miss low but significant contamination. Confirm any concerning kit result with a certified lab sample and follow chain of custody instructions. Rusty or discolored water often indicates pipe corrosion or sediment buildup. Flush lines. Replace corroded pipes where needed and install sediment pre-filters to protect downstream appliances. People overlook first draw lead tests and then install inappropriate treatments. Always take first draw samples for lead and choose filters certified to remove lead at the flow rates you will use for drinking and cooking. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors by helping us find local professionals and list projects related to water testing and treatment. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share real experiences, vendor recommendations, and practical how-to tips.